Hello friends, so today let's check out how to make cheese burst pizza at home. It is a delicious recipe. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today I'll show you how to make cheese burst pizza at home in a healthy way. So first we need instant yeast. I'm using a quick rice and 2 teaspoons of sugar. So add both of them in a lukewarm water and keep it aside for 5 minutes. It will look something like this. So once you see the foam starting to build up, that's when you know it's ready. This is a very important step to get the pizza dough right. So mix well. So next we need 1 cup of maida, all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of salt. So to knead the dough, mix the yeast water and knead it properly. Knead it gently and if required, add water. I'm using lukewarm water, but you can use normal water, but I prefer using lukewarm. So knead it gently, properly, not too thin, just like a normal dough. So if the dough is right, your pizza will be so soft and crispy. So yeah, knead it properly and you can apply some olive oil while you're kneading it. Okay, once it is done, just cover it and keep it aside for an hour for it to rise. I'm using the plastic wrap. You can put a damp cloth or a paper towel. After an hour, see how much it has grown bigger. The rise is really good. Gently knead it for a few more seconds just to make it soft and roll it. As you combine it, it will become softer and softer. And if you press it with your fingers, it will bump out. Yeah, see, just like that, which means it indicates that the dough is really good and ready to make the pizza. Okay, now let's do the toppings. I'm doing onions, then pineapple, capsicum, some sweet corn. It is completely optional, whatever you like. You can chop them and keep it ready. Add whatever you like. I'm using some spinach and black olive. Just cut them in a vertical shape or any shape for that matter. Just slice them evenly. The more the veggies, the better the pizza, at least according to me. So I'm preheating the oven at 400. Timer set. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So we will check in between. Once we place the pizza inside the oven, we will check regularly if it is done or not done. Okay, so I have chopped all my toppings. I have some banana jalapenos, banana peppers, capsicum, onion, jalapeno pepper. So as I said, it is completely up to you. Whatever you like, you can bring them on. It's the combination. I like to have more veggies on my pizza just to add that healthy content or healthy substance to it. Okay, now let's drizzle some olive oil on the pizza pan and then sprinkle some salt. I'll tell you why. if you don't do this, the base of the pizza will taste very bland. So just spread it evenly. So it was extra virgin oil and some salt. Just grease the pan nicely so that pizza will come out properly, and it will not become hard on the crust. Okay, so I'm dividing the dough into 4 pieces and will take one part of it to make one pizza. So I'm cutting it with the help of a knife and then carefully taking one portion of it, and then just tuck it in and roll it to make it softer, and then we will spread it on the pan, the pizza pan. I have a rectangular shape pan. You can use any pan that you have. So just dip your hands, dip your fingers in the olive oil and then spread it evenly across the pan. So now it depends upon how much thin you want the base to be. I like it thin, not very thin or thick, just the medium, something that you will see now. Okay, now let's make the first base. So first thing, we'll chop some cilantro and the butter, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of butter. I have melted the butter and added cilantro in it and some 3 to 4 garlic chopped. Yeah, mix it well, and that will be the first layer on top of the pizza dough. So mix it well and then apply over the pizza dough. On the sides, what I'm doing, I have tucking in the cheese for the cheese burst. See, just like that. Place the cheese and then kind of tuck in. Seal the corners, seal the sides of it, just like that, for that cheese burst. Okay, now I'm adding the pizza base, the marinara. Apply generously, spread it evenly throughout, and then on top of it you can add cheese. I'm using mozzarella low fat cheese, low fat, low moisture. Apply, add generously, as much as you like. If you like mozzarella, you can use that or any other cheese. Now goes the toppings. First I'm adding the corn, sweet corn, then goes pineapple, olive, spinach, some broccoli. I like it. Just try it out, it will be really tasty. So there goes spinach, so, and few of the mushrooms. And on top of all the veggies, I'm sprinkling some chili flakes and then olive oil. Yes, this is required. It will keep the veggies really soft and it will steam it. And there goes inside the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, so now it's about 15 minutes and let's check the pizza. It's doing good. Let's check after another 5-6 minutes. And after checking Checking after 5 minutes, total 20 minutes, the pizza is ready. So here is the cheese burst pizza. It is awesome, delicious, super tasty. Friends, definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you like it.